everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Yesterday I went to Michael's and I found this cute little egg mold, and it was 50% off, so I only paid like $2 and some change for it. It comes, you can make the hollow eggs. You will need to make this one twice because the bottom one, you can tell it's not the same size, and that's what it even says in the instructions. You can make this one twice, or we can make just one of these, set it down and serve ice cream or any dessert in it. But why I bought it, y'all know I like miniature things. These little bitty tiny egg molds right here to make the little candies to go inside. So I also bought, you can use whatever candy you like. I like using the candy melts when making candy like this. And this one has like the little sprinkles in it, if you can see that. So that's what the shell of my egg will be. And then I bought some more different colors to make the little fun candies that will go inside. So let's get started. And I just thought I'd bring you along. It would be fun. So for my egg shell, I'm going to use the Color Burst pastels. And I'm going to follow the directions. On how to melt it. And so I'll bring you back once it's melted. Okay, my candy is melted. I kind of want you to see the little color specks inside. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some in my mold. And you can use a spoon or anything, but I'm just going to paint it up the sides. And you want it to be a little thick since it's going to be hollow. Now I'm going to set this in the refrigerator till it sets up. And then I'll bring you back and we'll unmold it and make another one. Okay, this mold is ready. And you can kind of tell it will look kind of glossy or frosted. And you'll see it kind of pushing away. Now, I would not put these in the freezer to set up, because it will set up so fast that when you unmold it, it really has a chance of cracking and breaking. And you really just kind of want to leave it in the refrigerator long enough till it sets up good and firm. And we still have a chance of these cracking and breaking, but let's give it a try. Okay, yeah, it's loose. It's going to come on out. There we go. Now, I'm going to get it painted again with some more chocolate. And then I'll bring you back when they're ready. I hope you can see the color specks in it. It is so pretty. Okay, my little mini candies, or my little mini eggs are done. And then my two halves are done. And as you can tell, it is not really even at all. To even that out, let me show you a trick. This pan is a little warm because I had my oven on. But I'm going to put this pan in the heated oven just for a few minutes to get it warm. Okay, while the pan is warm, just take it and just kind of push it around on the pan, and that will even it out. Now, if you didn't want to fill this egg, now would be the time you could just stick it together, because the edges are melted and warm. See, then we could just pop it together. But we're going to fill the egg. So let me remove this. Or you could take just a hairdryer and heat up a pan to get it warm and even out your eggs. So with what little bit of candy that I have melted, I'm going to pour that into a zip top bag so we can seal it together. And now just fill one half with whatever you like. I made some peanut butter filled candies. You could put that in there. You could even put a little small toy prize in there. Just, you know, let them know for when they break the egg open But you can fill it with your candies, any kind of candies that you like. Now, see, I have it in my bag. I'm just going to snip the corner off. And since I'm using the same candy that I molded it with, it don't mind if it overflows a little bit, because we can just wipe that off. But just go around the edges. And seal it. Now all this overhang, just wipe it off. And it'll pretty much blend in with the rest. And right here where we have a little bit of a gap, we can just fill that in too. Now here we have our filled chocolate Easter egg. Just be careful with it. And if you do put a toy in there, just, you know, whoever's going to get it, let them know so the toy can get set aside. But isn't that pretty? You could even decorate it up some more. You know, let the kids take some of the leftover chocolate, spread it on there, and put sprinkles and stuff on it. And for the little shells, the little chocolate shells, you can make, do another mold of this one, or the same size, and make a smaller filled egg, or like I have jelly beans in this one. But probably what I'll do is make several more, and then after our dinner, I can fill it with ice cream, or pudding, or cake. You could put cake in there too, a slice of cake, or add some of your chocolate little eggs that you make, or anything. Fill it with your peanut butter cups and set it out. But this was a lot of fun to make. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for coming along as I made one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And if you get a chance to, make sure you check out the other videos that should be popping up right about now. And don't forget to subscribe. And to all of my subscribers, you're awesome. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.